Isn't it funny when you sit by the beach, all of a sudden you end up with feathery friends? Especially with food. I bet you they could smell the fish and prawns a mile away.
No doubt.
Yep, more coming in. Hate to tell you fellas, but I'm not sharing. It's delicious. They're even trying to give me the pity stares, you know.
It doesn't work.
What about... excuse me, prawn tail. Okay, so yep, that was a winner. They're not big fans of lemon.
No.
Found that out.
They definitely don't like lemon.
No. This is a good little spot though to sit and have lunch in here.
It is, it's lovely.
I'm a bit disappointed today though our big pelican Pete hasn't come in. Oh! Hello!
I've seen that. Just trying to get my prawns.
Yeah, look at him, creeping. What you doing? I noticed they don't share either. If one's game enough to come up, it's like, no, it's mine. I feel like we're being stared out. And they're very quiet, surprisingly
They
quiet.
are very quiet.
I think they're coming to... Oh! Hello! Good chat. Aren't you pretty brave? If I had a chip left, I would give it to you, or a bit of fish, but I ate it. Look at that look of disappointment. You.
You know why he's that close?
No.
Look there.
Oh, you put it right in front of me. Shithead. You're going to get me done.
I know. Yeah.
You do. I'm recording. I'll let you. Oh, he was game. They're really getting game. Oh, here we go. Oh, greedy. He took two. You're
Great.
very greedy, but you did step up, so you do deserve it.